This is Jay doing work.
Working on the house?
Working on the house.
You don't ever put them doors up, you gonna work on more in the house.
Time now to put these up. No? See? Put that screw into there. I need you to pop that piece back together so it can be a whole piece on one of them. You forgot? Here, don't worry about it. Here. You pop these, you put these together like this. You see, people? As you're working. Now, come on, come on.
Great.
You gotta look at me. Look. So, you put this right up in here like that.
This is the last one, ain't it? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We got one more door.
One more. Let me finish.
Then you put this.
I already got the hang-ons on it.
Take this through.
Trying to see if I don't lost the little.
If it's still got a little gate to it, you tighten it down. Now, you shouldn't have no yank. There we go. There we go, all stable. Now, the other piece.
No, I can't
Yeah,
get
look,
it.
you finish it off. Put that right here. Clip, there. Give you a little less off there. So it's kind of, got a little paint on it, so you straight through the feet.
There's one already there.
Come on, man, come right here. Show them the picture. So you get the paint off, whoop, and then with the door, shit closes right on up. Yeah, you got a closed spot. Look at this one I did.
They got some glue in there for something. They got to get in there.
This one I did. It got to show my hand closing the door. You're a bad photographer. See? Close. Look at that one. Okay, stop recording. I'm on through.